Getting started with ChiroOffice. Hi, I'm Sean, your Chirosoft e-learning specialist, and this is the first in our series of ChiroPad TV instructional videos on ChiroOffice. Today, we'll learn how to start using your new ChiroOffice software, including using the attendant, adding users, adding provider and clinic information, and adding patient information. After installing your new software, you'll notice a new icon on your computer's desktop labeled ChiroSuite Attendant. This is the key to accessing all of your ChiroSoft applications. Double-click the Attendant icon to launch the ChiroSuite sign-in screen. The site list shows you which datasets are available from this location. By default, there are two sites to choose from, Main and Training. The Main site represents your main dataset, including all your patient information. The training dataset is provided with sample patient data for educational or testing purposes. Choose the main site so we can begin adding some basic information about your practice. Begin by choosing the System Administrator account from the available names drop list. The System Administrator is a built-in account used to add and modify user accounts. By default, there is no password for this account, so click OK. The attendant will be displayed with the current site and user. Note that SA is the ID for the System Administrator account. We add users with the User Security utility. Click Start, All Programs, and point to ChiroSuite. Click User Security to launch the utility. To add a new user, click Add. Select an ID for this account. Initials work best, but you can assign any ID you want. Next, type the name of the user and optionally assign a PIN. Clicking the Permissions tab will display a list of operations you may allow or deny each user. We recommend you allow all for training purposes. Once you are finished adding your new user, click OK. You can continue adding more users at this time. When you're finished, click Close. To change users, click the padlock button on the attendant. This will display the ChiroSuite sign-in window. You can now choose your own user account. Type your PIN and click OK. You'll notice your ID is now displayed on the attendant. Click the ChiroOffice button to launch the ChiroOffice application. The first thing we need to do is add provider and clinic information into the system. Click Tools, point to Catalogs, and choose Providers. Click the New button to begin adding provider information. Enter an ID for this provider. Again, initials work fine, but you can put any ID you want. Sub-ID is used for electronic billing and can be added at a later date. Supplier billing name is the clinic name. Individual claims is for keeping receivables separate from multiple providers. Choose Suppress Missing Notes Report when this provider does not use ChiroPad for their treatment information. Most of the other information is self-explanatory. The other tab has room for clinic's insurance manager name and some workman's compensation information. If this provider treats patients at another location, you can enter that address on the Treatment Facility tab. When you have completed entering information, click Save and close the Provider Catalog window. To add a patient, click the New button on the Front Desk window, or choose New Patient from the File menu. When Chart is set to automatic, the system will assign the next available chart number. The automatic chart number system uses a format based on the current year, followed by a 5-digit number representing the order of entry. So the first patient you add in 2005 will be assigned the number 2005-00001. Choose an account type and provider for the patient. Continue adding the information, keeping in mind that the dark blue fields are required for ChiroOffice. When you're finished adding patient information, click Save.